Hello you all, how are you today? I just give warning to you, you are all in dangerous situation, so be careful.
My feeling was not too good.
You are all in dangerous situation.
Oh no, I must do something.
I got an idea.
Attention to Agent Ali, Agent Akim, and Agent Ameh. Please ensure that all people in this world are in safe situation.
Today I would like to cover an area where there's an odd object in the sky. Is it an UFO? As far as certainty, we still don't know. Keep safe everyone. I think we should go now. This place is not safe.
Ush, ada panggilan ni. Nampaknya saya kena ambil toko saya ni. Hey, so it's time for me to do the action. Let's go.
I'm on the next level, yeah. 절대적으로를 지켜 내 손을 놓지 마라. 결속은 나의 무기. 광야로 걸어가 알아 내 home ground. 위협에 맞서서 check it out, check it out, check it out. 상상도 못한 blackout. 유혹은 깊고 진해. Too hot, too hot. Amazing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Rifki bin Muhammad Nordin from class CS 143 Bobby. Today, I want to teach you about velocity and acceleration. The speed of motorcycle traveling along a straight road decrease uniformly from 80 meters per second to 10 meters per second over a room. First question is the declaration of the motorcycle. So to calculate the declaration of the motorcycle, you must using v square root equal to u square root plus 2as to count declaration of the motorcycle. So v is 10, u is 18, a as unknown, s is 100. So you calculate and you got a equal to negative 1.12 meter per second. But it is deceleration, so it must be in negative. Question B. The time taken for the speed to decrease from 80 meter per second to 10 meter per second. You must using formula V equal to U plus AT. So V is 10 here, U is 18 plus A, you got from question A, negative 1.12, and T is the one we want to find. So you solve it and you got T as a 7.143 second. Question C. The time taken for the motorcycle to come to a stop from the speed of 80 meters per second. So for this question, you must using V equal to U plus AT. So V is 0 and U is 18 plus A is from your declaration negative 1.12 times T. So you calculate the T equal to 16.07 per second. Question D. The total distance traveled by the motorcycle during this time. So for this question is using formula S equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT square. So you key in the value in the formula and you got S equal to 433.88 meter. So from the question that I give, I hope that you all can understand and manage to do the same concept for other question too. It is very easy to apply and I hope you guys can do it for next time. Hi guys, so from today, from a day activities today, I think you guys can know that velocity and acceleration can be adapted in the real life too. So I hope you guys understand from example that I give before. That's all for me. Bye bye.
I have a mission from my captain. I have to rescue a victim from a dangerous place. So I do not have much time. So I must go now. Wait. Before I forget, this is according chapter 3 in Math 272, which is velocity and acceleration. Bye. I must go now. The speed of man who has running around his residential area was decreased uniformly from 16 meter per second to 5 meter per second over 450 meter. So from the equation we can find the declaration of the man. So let's find it and let's check it out. Okay, for the first question I have the solution. Okay, so in this chapter, to find the declaration of the speed, we must know first we must know the initial velocity and final velocity. Okay, for the first question, we know that our initial velocity is 50 meter per second and final velocity is 6 meter per second. Okay, and we know that distance of this man were running was 450 meter. To find the declaration of this man, we should use the formula given, which is v squared equal u squared plus 2as. Okay, after we substitute all the value, and we can get a as negative 0.21 meter per second squared. So how can you get the answer of declaration from the past question? Okay, good. Yeah, good. Okay, so after we get a declaration, we can also find the time taken of the speed from 15 meter per second to 6 meter per second. So let's check it out. Okay, now we want to find the t, which is the time taken of the speed. Okay, we can use the formula v equal to u plus at. Okay, after we substitute all the value, and we can get the time taken of the speed is t equal to 42.8 second. Okay, we go to the next question, the third question. The third question it is a little bit same with the second question, but it's totally different. Okay, it also a time, but for this question we want to find the time taken of the man running from 16 meter per second to 0 meter per second, which is the man was stopped from his running. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, in this case, the third question want to find the time taken where the man is stopped from his running. Okay, so we can know that final velocity of the man is 0 meter per second because of he doesn't running anymore. Okay, so we still use the same formula, which is v equal to u plus at, and substitute the zeros value in v, and the final answer is t equal to 71.42 seconds.
Oh no, all people in this world are in danger situation. What I need to do? Yes, I got an idea. I think I must teach them how to keep safe according to chapter 3 map 272, which is velocity and acceleration. So let's go.
My car was speed along a straight road. The speed was uniformly from 60 meter per second to 21 meter per second. How can I find my deceleration? What kind of formula that I can use to find my deceleration? I got an idea. Let's check it out. From this situation, I have noticed that my initial velocity is 60 meter per second and my final velocity is 21 meter per second. The distance along the straight road is 200 meter. To find the deceleration, the formula that we need to use is v squared equal to u squared plus 2as, which is the value of v, value of u, and also the value of s have been noticed. Next, after substitute all of the value into the formula, we can get the value of a, which is negative 7.8975 meter per second square, which is we can assume that this deceleration of this car is 7.8975 meter per second square. After get the deceleration, how much time my car take to decrease from 60 meter per second to 21 meter per second? So let's check it out. On the way to find the value of time, the formula that we need to use is v equal to u plus at, which is the value of v, u, and also a from the previous question can be applied in this case. And the final answer is t equal to 4.94 seconds. Next, how much time my car take to become stop from 60 meter per second? Type of formula that I can use. So let's check it out. In this case, we can assume that the initial velocity of this car is 60 meter per second and the final velocity of this car is 0, because I have been mentioned that the car is to become stopped, so we can assume that the final velocity of this car is 0. We can use formula v equal to u plus at, which is v equal to 0, u equal to 60, and a we can use from the previous answer from the acceleration, which is a equal to negative 7.8975. So after that, we can get the final answer, which is t equal to 7.60 seconds. Last but not least, what is the total distance that my car takes to become stopped? To answer the question, we must to relate it with the previous question, which is t is equal to 7.6 seconds. So the most suitable formula that we need to use to solve this question is s equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared, which is the u is 60 meter per second and the t is 7.6. So we can substitute all of the formula into this, because all of the value is actually in this formula. So the final answer is 227.9202 meter. So that's all from me. Thank you. See you next time. What's that? No, that's Godzilla. It's just a dream. What kind of dream is that? But we have noticed that we got a lot of knowledge about velocity and acceleration. So thank for our dreams.
Do you miss me?